It's literally just a grassroots effort. When we were learning about all the kids' cultures and their backgrounds, we thought like a really good way to transfer that is through cooking and recipes. And we thought, how could we integrate that into our community? And we got the idea to grow tomato plants. So every year we grow about 70 to 80 tomato plants in my classroom, and each kid provides a family recipe with each tomato plant that we deliver to each door. And it's just a good way for the kids to kind of feel the community service they're doing. It kind of helps them connect to the source, you know, like how long it actually takes to grow, because they plant the tomatoes and then they watch them grow up, then they come up with a recipe. So when you're looking at it from a time perspective, ground to table, they kind of get a good feeling that way. But it's fun when they get to drop them off. Like, they're really excited to go knock on that door and leave it there. And, you know, they're actually giving back physically to the community around us.